In this session, I sit down with Jeff, who we have built a wait list of people who want to know more about the membership that he is launching. So he is about to launch the founding members group on School and enroll the first few founding members into his membership. And we have set up a system in the email marketing software we are using for him, Systeme. Otherwise, I often use Go High Level. But in this Systeme app, we have set up a framework through which we can build a wait list of people who we can then keep emailing and sell to them the offer, special offer, for them to be the first founding members in the membership. So you're gonna learn a lot about the mindset and the technical stuff behind this strategy and how to keep building your waitlist of people who are interested, and from social media building the waitlist, and how to be emailing your existing email contacts to get them to the waitlist. And then from the waitlist we can send 3, 4, 5 emails out, and people joining as the founding members of your membership. I suggest that you launch your first membership as the founding members group, so we give people a special offer to those first few who join, so people rush into the membership, right? You're gonna see at the end of this video I gave to Jeff a template, so he now starts working on writing these membership launch emails, which will come next, very much handy after he now grows his waitlist a little further. Okay, but watch the video so you can learn the mindset of how you can launch your own membership via building a wait list of people and then opening the doors and getting them in as the founding members of your membership. You saw how many people joined your wait list, right?
Yeah, I saw.
So what happened?
I sent out my second email. I'm up to 75 right now.
75 people on a wait list now, right?
Yeah.
Right, and if you're gonna send another like 3 more emails in line just for those people, you're gonna get some more on this wait list now.
Yeah, I got another one geared up to go out tomorrow.
And this is what we did, right? So we imported the contacts because you already had contacts. We imported them into the email marketing software here, Systeme, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we created a tag, all, which are all people, but we created also a waitlist tag, right? Because we then sent a newsletter to all of these people, and we said to them, hey, we are about to open this membership, right? Would you want to be on a waitlist so you are one of the first one to know more about it when the membership is open? And that's how people joined the waitlist, right?
Yes.
So how we did this is here in the funnels, you have, let's say, a new funnel here. Of course, you're gonna, these 2 pages here are for the email list building outside of social, from social media, right? There is a opt-in page, right? But I think you are not using this yet, right?
Correct. I haven't recorded my...
Right, so that's my template. We need to adjust it. This is for further email list building, which we don't need at the moment because you already have an email list, right? So,
Correct.
but what we did was we created this waitlist thank you page. This confirmation page, right? So I created an automation here. If anyone from your email list visits this page, here under automation rules, page visited, we add them a tag waitlist, correct?
Yes.
So with that said, when we started sending email newsletters out, let's check the last one. So you have now 3 more, let's say, scheduled or so, but
yep.
This one, how we did this second email was that if people read it, we invite them to join a waitlist or so. We'll not check the copy right now, but if they click here, they land on that thank you page that I showed before, this confirmation page, right? So this page is that page that I showed the automation before, that if someone visits it, right, they are tagged as a waitlist person now. So basically when someone clicks in the email now, they are tagged as a waitlist person. And now our next step is, we of course will keep building this waitlist. We are gonna now write a few emails that we need to be ready, that will be sent out first to the waitlist people as a priority people, right? And we're gonna open the doors to them to become part of the membership as a founding member, right? So for example, I wrote out this template And this email now will be sent out soon whenever you decide to open your program, kind of, to the waitlist people, and we're gonna give them an opportunity to join as the founding members. We are giving them a special offer instead of, let's say, 97 a month or whatever. This needs to be adjusted for your own
Understood.
personalization, right? They can get it for, let's say, for the founding price point. It's not that they only get it for cheaper for lifetime. They also, I've wrote down here what else they get, right? They get a one-on-one quick session with you, for example. So you outline their custom plan. You can throw these things out if needed, right? But this is how we push them over, right?
Okay.
They are also getting this priority support in the community, because we tell them that because the community is small right now, so you can spend more time with just focusing on them. And they get a special price point, and they get all of these membership inclusions anyway. We need to work through this to make it better, right? But what we do here now is we give them the link here to the school platform. This is where they can now click and join on their own right now. After they read this email. That's just one of the first email out of 5 or 6 that's gonna go out in the 1 week time or later on or so. Now they can click here. What I found working really well is as well that I tell people at the end of my emails, hey, you know what, you can reply to this email right now if you have any questions before you join, and I will respond you and I'm gonna guide you. So why I do this is because if someone is on the fence, I get them an option to communicate to me back and tell me what's their objections or questions. So I can then either go on a quick call with them, or I can just respond to their email and I can get them, hey, go now to that page, start anyway now. Another thing that I do in these emails here is that I tell them what's going to happen after they join, because I paint the picture to them what's going to happen after they join, right? You will get immediate access to the community, blah, 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 and I will privately welcome you in. This is a grammar error. And I will welcome you in, right? And I tell them what's next. So they feel like, okay, this is a real thing, all right? So that's what we're going to work on now. There are another 4 or 5 later on templates we're going to work on, but this is what we need to write right now. We're going to send this soon to the waitlist people, and we'll see how many people just jump over. So we have around 70 something email people on a waitlist. We're going to now email them and see who's going to just click and join later on, and people will respond as well. And we'll just keep following up with these people on a waitlist. But we're going to keep building this waitlist from, this existing email list of yours, plus whatever else sources that we're going to find, right? And it's time for us to open your membership now, right?
Yep.